Yeah,
So, you know, you just gotta take it.
Go to the hospital, they have free food there.
Where, Kyle? Subway.
Subway, so fresh. When you fresh.
Brown feces?
Ah!
What? The subway! Right there! Subway! Here, Eric.
I looked there. I swear.
Ron's wearing my stolen sunglasses because he thinks he's badass. But he's not. You gonna get mugged?
We're gonna go back to your house. Oh,
Think of all the calories you could be eating.
You want me to suck?
Yeah. You're telling me.
Here comes the airplane.
This is so adorable.
Y'all, boost. Surf. Yeah.
And vegetables on the other.
Eat it.
I don't want to have to choose between my chicken and my vegetables all at once.
You know who's awesome? Lincoln Boy.
I like this color.
Head of what? Come on, do it. Eat it.
No, do it, Ryan. And then Cal just leaves that because he never finishes his damn meals.
It's all chicken. The chicken is dry.
See what I mean?
There's always an excuse. Everyone's a hypocrite.
Not me, Lord. Ding ding. Wait, like in the Bible?
On the subway. Eric! Eric! Just go. Look at me, I'm from the 80s. What are you doing?
Ryan?
Vixen!